Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your reviews from the public feed in the Joom app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Joom app. On the bottom right corner, tap on your profile. And on the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. And the first option is the social profile. Tap on your social profile, and here you can select anonymity. If you tap on it, then you hide all of your reviews from the public feed. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.